this lesson, we will be verifying if the installation for UFT Developer was successful in Visual Studio. Let's start Visual Studio. So Visual Studio is started. I could either create a project, but for now I will just continue without code. So what I can already see is that we have a menu called extension, which already exists. And if I open it, I find here the UFT developer extension. And this allows me to really see all the different tools that we provide with a UFT developer. So you could utilize the test recorder, the mobile testing, or also the object identification center, which we use to identify the different objects on a page. So this is working. You can see this is currently disabled. I think I was too fast. Let me quickly do it again. So it's there. What I need to do is I require to have a solution opened, which allow me to make this enable so I can access it. So I can see everything is fine. I could potentially start this object identification center and just see if everything is working on the recognition side. To be sure, let's see. I can look here on the different items and see also that those can be scanned, which is fine. And if I scan one item, it appears here. So this is good. I could also see here the two different languages for this implementation, either JavaScript or I could use C#. And if I want, I can also enable multi-object spying, which will then allow me to add multiple objects. So I can spy this object. You can see one is added. Then I could add this one, another one. So with this, I could add multiple objects at the same time. And if I want, I could also refer back and say, show me this object. So it will highlight exactly those objects. And what you also see is the ones which are highlighted here, and the new ones are great. So those are the new ones. I have just not clicked yet. So it looks like everything is valid and working. I can close it from here. In one of the next session, we will see how to create a simple script.